Assalamu alaikum dear, it's me MD Franto. What do I do every day to enhance my English pronunciation? As far as I'm concerned, as an English learner, I'm going to share with you about that. So, first of all, I am to think direct in English. To be honest, I don't want to think in Bangla, and when I speak in English, I never translate Bangla to English because this is too much harmful for every English learner. If you translate Bangla to English, cease now, otherwise you will never able to become a fluent English speaker. This is my everyday activity. Direct think in English. Like at this moment I am speaking English, I am speaking English and whatever am I looking everything I am thinking in English. I work when I stay at my home that time also when I go in my cropland that time I direct think in English. This is the secret to enhance your English pronunciation. And secondly, I memorize vocabulary every day. To be honest, if you want to memorize lots of vocabulary, it won't be easy for you because you can memorize easily, but you won't be use you cannot use when you speak in English if you don't attempt. Because I memorize the vocabulary like I read minimum three times. After that, I make sentences, lots of, so that I can memorize that vocabulary in my head. When I speak in English, that time I can use the vocabulary very easily, as well as when I write, listen, and when I discuss another people, that time I try to use those type of vocabularies which vocabulary I try to memorize. This is my second step. Number three is listen native English speaker speech. This is another secret. Without listen native English speaker speech, it's never be possible for me to enhance my English pronunciation as well as every learners. For this reason, every day I listen several types of English videos like My Country, Many Learners English podcast, and British American or Australian accent. I try to listen, though those three country accent are different, but that is not a big deal. I try to listen there. I try to watch those type of learners and English teacher videos to enhance my English skills. And number four is write. Write is necessary to enhance your English skills. But if you want to improve your English pronunciation, that is not so necessary. But if you want to increase your English skills, like me, I don't want to improve my English pronunciation just only. I want to enhance my English skills. For this reason, every day I try to write new sentences and I try to watch another teacher's videos. How can I write very strong sentences and how can I solve my sentence mistake? And number five is reading. Reading is more important if you want to enhance your English pronunciation, writing and listening. Because if you read same time, you can enhance your English listening skill. You can enhance your English reading skills. You can enhance your English writing skills. Even you can improve your English pronunciation. For this reason, every day I read a lots of time, minimum 2 hours, 3 hours every day. And I would like to read many types of English story, and I have several types of book. Like I would like to be an entrepreneur in the future. That for this reason, I buy many types of English books from online, and I study those type of English books like reading. So this is the this was my everyday activity to enhance my English pronunciation. If you are a learner, if you want to become a fluent English speaker, if you want to enhance your English skills, start now. So, now today, if you want, you can follow my instruction. But if you don't like to follow my instruction, it's your matter. None of my business. Mercy pray for me.